Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are doing well. So here I am with the third practice paper of our series Target 36. Okay, so I have already made two videos on this topic, and here I am trying to take different types of questions that could be asked in your exam. Okay, so try to watch it completely and practice them well. Okay, so let us start the today's question. So here is the chapter-wise marks distribution. I have explained this in detail in the introduction video of Target 36. You can watch it. Link is provided in the description box. Okay. So let us start solving the questions from this paper. Okay. So again here you can see I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions. One is from MCQ and the other questions will be on what 1 mark questions. So here they have given first question is if an is equal to 3n plus 4, okay, 3n plus 4, then the 10th term of AP is there. So at the place of n you have to just substitute 10, that's all. So 3 into 10 plus 4 is how much? If you do this is 30 plus 4, it is 34. So option number C. Okay, 34 is the right answer. Next is question number 10. Sorry, this is 2. Since I have selected this question from different question papers, mainly from like Kolar or some Bangalore South North question papers from DDPI office. So these are just the screenshot of those questions. Okay, that's why is they are numbered different here. Okay, so let us come to the next question here. Write the y coordinate of any point on x-axis. So if this is x-axis and this is y-axis, y coordinates on x-axis will always be 0. Okay, so it can be written as x comma 0. Y is always 0. So this is the coordinate. So you can write 0 as the answer. Okay, since they have asked only y coordinate, so the answer will be 0. Okay, even if you write like this is fine, but you can mention that the y coordinate is 0 on any point on x-axis. That's all. Now next question, write the standard form of quadratic equation. So it is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the standard form. Okay, next the mean of the scores 4 comma 7 comma 9 comma x comma x is 8. Find the value of x. So what is mean? Mean is the total score, right? Or you write it as sigma x, correct, divided by sigma f, total score by number of score, or values, total values by number of values. So total score is here 4 plus, you can write that 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus x divided by how many are there, 1 2 3 4, and mean they have given is 8. So on solving this, how much will you get? 9 plus 4 is 13, correct? 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 7 is, it is 20 plus, and this is x. If you transfer this to LHS, 8 into 4 will be 32. So what will be x? It will be 32 minus 20. So on solving, you will get 12. So the value of x is 12. This is how you have to solve this type of problem. Okay. Next question is, write the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points this and this. Midpoint. Okay, so here you have to use midpoint formula. So you can write midpoint is equal to, it is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the right answer. Got it? So these are the 5 questions which you can expect, or the similar type you can expect either in 1 marks or MCQ type. Got it? So let us move to the next question. Okay, so here are the 2 marks questions. The first one is, find the sum of the first 10 multiples of 3. First 10 multiples. So of 3 it is what? Means 3 tables you have to write. 3, 6, 9 up to 10. So first 10 multiples will be 10 3 is a 30, right? Now you have to find Sn. Use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In your exam you will get marks for writing formula also. So don't forget to write that. Now n is how much? It is 10, correct? 10 by 2 into 2a. A is 3 plus 10 minus 1 into d is how much? 3. Okay, so here you will get 5 and 3 2s are 6 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 3s are 27. So on solving this you will get how much? 333. So 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 3s are 15, 1 16. So the answer is 165. So the sum of the first 10 terms of 10 multiples of 3 is 165. This is S10. Got it? You can also solve this using this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an or a plus l, right? Because first and last term is given, right? So if you solve using this, you can get same answer. Let me try this. 3 plus 30. So how much you'll get here? 5 into 30 plus 3 is 33. So again you are getting same here, right? 165. Got it? So any formula you apply, you will get the same answer. But this formula is limited only when the last term is given. Here it was given, so I had used it. Understood? I hope you got it. Moving to the next question now. So the next question says solve 3x plus y equals to 7 and x plus y. So definitely you are going to get one question from linear equation. So I am solving this by elimination method here. Elimination, you can write this as equation 1, this as equation 2. So by adding equation 1 and 2, so on adding this will get cancelled, means y minus y is 0. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So x is 8 by 4, which is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. Now substitute this in either second or first. Let me write that in first equation. So here y will become what? It will become 7 minus 3x, correct? Because this goes to RHS. So 7 minus 3 into x is 2. So 7 minus 3 to the 6, which is 1. So x is 1. Sorry, this is y, no? Y is 1. So the value of x is 2 and y is 1. I hope it's clear. Next is question number 13. Hey, what they have given here? Find the value of the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So whenever you get discriminant or nature of roots, you have to use this formula. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what is a here? It is 2, b is minus 4 and c is 3. Substitute. Minus 4 square minus 4, a is 2 into c is 3. So 4 4 is a 16 minus 4 2 is a 8, 8 3 is a 24. So this answer is minus 8. So, okay, so they have just asked the value of discriminant. If you write this much, d is minus 8, you will get 2 marks. Okay, and if they had asked also to find the nature of roots, since this is less than 0, the answer will be no real roots. Got it? Yes. Now moving to the next question. Yes. What is the question? Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Okay. And draw a pair of tangents to this circle from a point at a distance 10 centimeter from the center of it. Measure and write the lengths of tangents. So you have to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Roughly you can draw. Okay. Then draw a pair of tangents to this circle from a point at a distance 10 centimeter from the center of it, means from this center the point should be 10 centimeter away. So you have to draw a line OP, okay, and this you can mark this as x. So OX is radius. How much this should be? This should be 4 and XP should be 6, correct? Then only OP will be 10. So from here you have to draw two tangents to this circle. So how can you do that? This total length is 10. So you take more than 10 by 2. How much is that? 5. So you can take either 6 or 7. gap between these two pointer pencil and the pointer of compass, and cut an arc keeping the needle over here. You can cut an arc like this on both the sides. First this, next this. Now keep that pointer over here, cut using the same length, cut an arc. You'll get two intersecting points. Now just join them using compass, sorry, using scale and pencil. Now this point is your midpoint M. You can write this as midpoint. Now taking OM as radius, okay, draw a circle. It will touch this O as well as this P. It is not looking like circle, but when you do it using proper instrument, you will get it. Now from this P, this was your first circle. You can see it has touched the circle at this 2 points, so they are your point A and B. You can use your compass, a scale, sorry, or ruler, and join it from here. Okay, it will be straight. So you can see PA and PB are the tangents, so you can write PA and PB are the tangents. Okay, and they have also asked measure, so both PA and PB should be same, so that you have to measure and write, okay, using scale. I hope it's clear. Okay, now coming to the last question of 2 marks section. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are this. Okay, so you can roughly draw a triangle. Okay, let me take it here. Where is the triangle? Yes, so imagine this is the triangle they have given. Okay, so let me write the values. This is 1 comma 2, this is 3 comma 7, and this one is 5 comma 3. You can name them as x1 y1, x2 y2, and x3 y3. Comma is there in between. Now what is the formula? Area of triangle, you have to write that formula. Area is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3. Okay, so you can see here 1 2 3 is repeated. Now x2 into, after 2 what will come? 3. After 3 1, correct. Now x3 into y1 minus y2. So now just substitute and solve. So half into, you have to substitute it carefully. X1 is 1 into y2 is 7 minus 3, correct, y3, plus x2 is 3 into y3 is 3 minus y1 is 2, plus x3 is 5 into y1 is how much? 2 minus 7. Now close the bracket. Half into, solve this. 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, plus 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, plus 2 minus, what is this? 2 minus 7 is how much? Minus 5. Minus 5, and this is 5. Minus 5 5, it is minus 25. Okay, so this will become half into 7 minus 25. So on solving this, you'll get half into, what is 25 minus 7? It is minus 18, correct. So on solving this, we'll get minus 9. So answer is minus 9 square units. Okay. Okay, so here area cannot be negative, so you can write A as 9 square units. Okay, this is the answer. I hope you have understood. Now moving to the 3 marks section. Okay, the very important one. So here I have taken 4 questions. So the first question says construct less than type OGU, okay, for the following data. Now they have given this data: weight, okay, this is weight in kgs, number of students. So they have given less than, so it means they have given here cumulative frequency. Remember this, whenever they give like this, less than, okay, then CF is given, okay, because less than 38 is 0, less than 40 means, so it keeps on adding. We are adding in cumulative frequency, that's why is whatever you get here, that is your n. Okay, and if they give frequency, then they have to give here class interval, like 36 to 40 or 38 to 40. But since they have given in this form, this table is cumulative frequency. Okay, remember that. So to draw a graph, I have told this many times. Here you have to write CF, and here you have to write limit. Okay, now limit, here it is given as weight, so you have to write weights in kgs, and here in cumulative frequency you can write number of students. Okay, scale what you are going to choose, you can see in x-axis the number is from 0 to 35, so I'll take 5, 10, 15, okay, 20, 25, 30, and this can be written as 35. Okay, so I hope you are getting this. Okay, you can also take 2, but this is going to be a very bigger line, that's why I've taken 5. So you can write along x-axis, this is very important, one unit is 5, and along y-axis, what is 1 unit? So see, here you have to take sorry again, this is CF, this should come in the y-axis, right? So here, as I said, here limit will come, right? So limit is this value, not this one. This is CF. So I have written it incorrectly. So change it. Yeah, see. So along x-axis, you have to take this 38, 40, 42. So 1 unit is 2. So let me write here 38, 40, 42, 44, then 46. This is actually 46, not 48. Then this is 50, and this is 52. Here 0 to 35. So this, along this axis you can take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, so here along y-axis 1 unit is 5. Now mark at 38, this should be 0, so 38, 0, it will come here. Then for 40 it should be 3, so it will come somewhere over here. In 42 it is 5, so here. Then it is 9, so it will come somewhere here. Then 14 somewhere here. 28 it will come somewhere over here. Then 32 somewhere over here, and 35 less than 52, 35, it will come somewhere over here. Now in freehand you have to join these lines. Okay, join these points and draw this line. This is your ogive curve. Okay, and this is a less type ogive curve, so you have to write that also, less type ogive curve. So if you write this much, you'll get full marks. Got it? I hope it's clear. Moving to the next question. So the next question is find the median, right? Find the median of the following distribution table. Now for median, what is the formula? Median formula is L plus, yes, it is n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So remember, in median you have to find CF first. Okay, now here they have not given CF, because you can see this is in the form of class interval. So first you have to write CF here, one table you have to add. So what is CF? You just write this value as it is and just keep on adding this. 5 plus 4 is 9, correct? 9 plus 13 is 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. 42 plus 14 is how much? It is 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. 60 plus 4 is 64. Okay, so this is your n, this value is your n. Okay, or small n you can write. So n is 64. What will be n by 2? 64 by 2 is 32. So you get n by 2 as 32. Now using that, where is 32? You have to look for CF table now. Okay, in CF you have to see 32 is lying between which two numbers. So you can say these two are the numbers between which this will lie. So the bigger number, which one is this? 42. Okay, that table, that class will be your median class. So I will write it here. Median class is which one? 125 to 145. What does it mean? It means your median will be between these two number. Got it? And what is L? It is 125, lower limit of median class. And this is your F, frequency of the median class. And what is CF? CF is the median of preceding class. Which is the preceding class? Yes, it is this one, 22, correct? This was median class, preceding is 22. So that is your CF, that you have to write it here. Got it? Now substitute the values. 125 plus n by 2, 32, minus CF is 22 divided by F is 20 into what is H? H is, yes, it is the class size. 125 minus 145, 145 minus this 20 is the gap, correct? So that is 20. Now these two will get cancelled easily, right? Now just add 125 plus what is 32 minus 22, it is 10. So the answer is 135. So median is 135. That's all. It's very simple. You have to just identify the median class and you have to collect this data, substitute, you'll get full marks. So this is one of the easiest questions. Okay, next question is, I hope you have understood. If yours, do like this video. Okay, the next question is a question which has been asked in almost all the exams. Okay, from 2019 you can take. Okay, like supplementary and main exam. Prove that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal to a circle are equal. So I have explained this and I have made a video, okay, on this. The link you can look in the description box. You can watch it from there. So coming to the last question of 3 mark section. Construct a triangle of sides 6, 4 and 7 centimeter. Then construct another triangle whose corresponding sides are 3 by 4, okay, of the first triangle. So first draw a triangle. Okay, here you can take the one which is bigger, that is 7. From this side cut an arc of 6 or 4, like 4 if I'm taking, and this is 6. Okay, so like this you will get a triangle. I hope you know this. You can name this as A, B and C. AB is 4, BC is 7 and this is how much? 6 centimeter, correct? Now you have to construct a similar triangle and they have given the factor as 3 by 4. So what you have to do, which one is the bigger number? 4. So from B, draw a line like this. Okay, the angle, this should always be less than 90. Keep that in mind. Okay, it can be 70, 60, 50. Better you take it around 45. That will be the best. Now there are in denominator 4 and numerator 3. Which is the bigger? 4. So cut 4 equal parts using the compass. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can name them as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now whatever there in the denominator, join it to this point. So in denominator it is 4. So from 4th point join this. Got it? Measure this angle. Okay, using this compass. Keep your compass needle over here, mark this. Now from 3, where is 3? Here, same, mark like this. Now measure this, cut an arc like this, you'll get something like this. Okay, intersecting point you'll get. Now from here you join, just take a line, join it on BC. This is your C dash. Similarly you have to do that from here. Okay, measure this, cut an arc and join it on this is your A dash. Got it? So remember, whatever is there in the numerator, if it is 3 and this is 4, it means numerator is smaller. It shows the new triangle formed will be of smaller size compared to the earlier one. Remember that. If it was 4 by 3, okay, 4 is bigger value compared to 3. It means the new triangle will be the bigger. Okay, just remember that. Moving to the last section. Okay, that is 4 marks question. So here they have given proof theorem is of 5 marks. Prove that the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So this is on the basis of similar triangles, this theorem. So I have already explained this. You can watch the video from the link provided in the description box. I will just be solving this question here. So the question says solve graphically this and this. So graphically it's very easy. How? See, you have to just write this. 2x plus y is 7 and x minus y is 2. What is y? 7 minus 2x, correct? and here what will be y? Since it is negative, you bring this to RHS, so it's become positive. You keep x over here, bring this to LHS minus 2. So what is y? It is x minus 2, right? Now we should get the values of x and y, correct? So you have to write a table like this. This is x and this is y, and just three values are enough. Similarly, for this equation also, just three values of x and y are enough to write a graph. Now how to start this with? You can start with 1 2 3 4. Okay, let me check that with 1. So here when x is 1, you have to substitute in this equation. Y is 7 minus 2 into 1. What is this? 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is 5. Here also you substitute. When x is 1, what will be y? Y will be 1 minus 2. This is minus 1, correct? So here you will getting minus 1. Now take when x is 2. Here you will get y is 7 minus 2 2 is 4. This is 3. So this is 2 and this is 3. Here when x is 2, what will be y? It is 2 minus 2, that is 0, correct? Now when x is 3, so 7 minus 2 into 3, how much is this? 7 minus 6, that is 1. Here when x is 3, y will be 3 minus 2, this is 1. So see, you got this. When this is 3, here you are getting 1. When this is 3, you are getting 1. So these two values will be your answer. Okay, so take one more value, because to get an intersecting line you at least need three values, correct? So 2 we have already taken, that will come here and here, and after this we need one more point, so I will take that again. So when x is 4, what will be y here? 7 minus 2 into 4, 8. So 7 minus 8 is how much? Minus 1. So this is minus 1, and here when x is 4, y becomes 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay, so this much value is enough, 4. So now you have to plot a graph. How to plot that graph? See, you have to take x-axis here, this is y, and here you have to write scale along. If you look at this equation, along x-axis the lowest value is which one? It is 1, highest is 4. So you can write 1 2 3 4 over here. So x-axis 1 unit is 1, along y-axis 1 unit is how much? See, here smallest is minus 1, biggest is 5, again minus 1 and 2. So you have to start from minus 1 like this, minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 5, that's enough. So this is also 1. Now write the values of this. When x is 1, y is 5. So 1 5, it will come here. 2 3, 2 3 3 1, 4 minus 1, you'll get something like this. Just join them, you'll get a straight line. And which is this? This is for the equation 2x plus y is equal to 7, that you have to write. Now come to this equation values. When x is 1, y is minus 1, it will come somewhere over here. 2 and 0 here, 3 and 1 again here, 4 and 2 here. So just join them, you'll get this. What is this value? It is 3 comma 1, and this is for the equation x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, so you can write from the graph, correct? The value of x is how much? 3, and y is how much? 1. That's all. If you do this much, you are going to get 4 marks easily. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. If yes, kindly do press the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends. Okay, so we'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, have a great time, and all the best for your exams.